Okay, here we are back again on data validation, which means making drop-down boxes. Remember, you can pause the video whenever you need to. The next step is to, first of all, we're just going to highlight all of our data and go up to the paint tin and change it to a light grey colour. That grey just means that it's our data and it's not really what our data collection will actually be, but we're using that data there. Okay, to make a drop-down box, click on the box under hair color. Now this is relating to hair color over here. So we're going to right click on that box. You can click drop down here, or you can go to view more actions and say data validation. Both those options are the same. Now if you click data validation, you've got to say add a rule, and the first thing we're going to do is look at criteria. We're going to click criteria and go drop down from a range, because we've got our range over here. We want to get a drop down boxes from range. Then the question here is, what range do we want? Well, you select your range by clicking this window. Now it says select data range. The range for hair color is these ones here: black, brown, blonde, and pink. Highlight it and it'll automatically put that range in here. You say OK. And now what we have over here is a drop-down box that includes the options from our data over here. All right, now the next step is, because we're a little bit lazy, we don't really want to do that every single box. What we're going to do is click this box, actually click on the edge of the box, and we're going to move over till the cursor turns to a cross. Pull it down, let's go down to 10, and now it copies that same thing right across the board. Another thing you can do is you'll have to go over here to the edge to select all the boxes, highlight all of those boxes. Then what we want to go to is over to advanced options, scroll down and make it an arrow. Okay, don't forget you can pause. So that should work. It's made the top one an arrow, but not the others. Okay, well, let's click the top. Move your cursor till it turns to a cross, pull it down, and copy that same style down for the lot. It's just changed the look of it, that's all. We want these little arrows here. Now, it's your job, I'll do it really quickly now, but to do the same thing right across. So let's do it again. Click the eye color one. Go down, I'll go to drop down this time. Now, we're going to change the criteria to drop down from a range. Click the little window. This time we're selecting the eye color range and say OK, done. Now we go to our same little trick. Well, let's just do it for this one maybe. Highlight that one, go to advanced options, down the bottom to arrow, done. Now we change it to an arrow. Then we're going to click it, drag it down again, copy it all down. Now every one of those should have those colors. All right, I'll go really quickly again. Drop down, range, drop down from a range, click the little window over here. This one's pets, I believe, yes. Okay. Then I can go back over here, go down the bottom, advanced options, arrow, done. Now it's an arrow, I'm going to copy it down. I'm going to go really quickly again. Drop down box, this is the family members. I'll go to criteria, drop down from a range, the window, family members, down to 10. Okay. Also, I'll go down the bottom here, advanced options, change it to an arrow, done. Then I'll click that, move tilde across, drag it down. Now I've made a list for all of them. So that's how you make drop-down boxes.